Hey everyone, welcome back to The Wanderers. Today, we're at Hong Kong Disneyland for a full POV ride on Frozen Ever After, part of the brand new world of Frozen. The world's first ever Frozen-themed land, which opened in November 2023. This version of the ride is inspired by the original in Epcot, but with upgraded tech, stunning new animatronics, and more immersive details like Arendelle's North Mountain and Elsa's Ice Palace. You'll float through fan-favourite scenes, hear all the iconic songs, and spot characters like Anna, Elsa, Olaf, Sven, Kristoff, and even Marshmallow. The whole land is set between the two Frozen films, so there's lots of lore and storytelling packed in. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this magical ride, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. All right, let's set sail through Arendelle.
Remember to watch your children, and as a reminder, you may get wet.
Come on, I know you do. Elsa can make a magic winter show with summer snow for Sven and me.
你哋去緊愛沙嘅冰雪王宮，我都係，斯特都係嘅，一陣見。
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love, but full of frozen heart.
And now they're best friends.
Indeed.
我哋最好嘅朋友啊！
Ready to see Elsa?
They were born ready. For the first time in forever, we get to share this frozen fun.
just makes